Hi everyone, good morning. I'm filming this just before I go to work, so it's a little bit early in the morning. I've got my croaky voice as usual when I haven't spoken to anyone yet. But I really wanted to do this video because I've really excitedly been gifted a pair of the Clash Dr Martens. Now, I was actually in Butlins a couple of weekends ago when I saw this announcement that they were going to be released, and me and my boyfriend were both like, oh no, because we knew that we're trying to save up money to get a house, so we can't really buy a pair. But out of nowhere we both got gifted a pair of them, so I thought that you guys would be interested in this kind of thing because shoe unboxings do really well on my channel, and obviously Dr Martens are one of my favourite brands, and I love the Clash. That goes without saying really, so this is like a collaboration made in heaven really. Sorry I haven't had a couple of videos for the past couple of weeks. I did intend on filming a what I wore in Butlins video when we went to the Great British Alternative Music Festival, but I filmed like one clip and then just ended up enjoying myself for the rest of the weekend and forgetting to film anymore, so I'm sorry that there's been a little bit of a break, but I will try and get back to it. I've got a few ideas of things that I want to film, so please remember to like and subscribe. Thanks to everybody who's already subscribed, and I will get on with unboxing the shoes. So I moved to the side so that you can see them. This is the shoe box, and first of all we just need to probably talk about the shoe box because I think it's probably the best shoe box I've ever seen. It's made to look like a trunk, so the top of it says the Clash and Dr Martens, and then on the side we've got the buckles and it says the Clash on the side as well. Hopefully you can see that okay. And somewhere on the back also it does say that the box is made from recycled board as well, so obviously that's really good for the environment, and I just think it's really exciting. It's almost like something that you want to keep on display like in your room or something like that, so maybe I might end up doing that. And the first look on the inside also says the Clash on there, and we've got this little, just take it out, we've got this little packet, so I'm assuming maybe like an extra pair of laces comes in this. Oh no, it's just completely for this, so you get like a little dog tag in there as well, which I didn't know about. So it's just like a necklace with a dog tag on it, and it says the Clash on there as well. So that's really exciting. I feel like I should wear that with like one of my t-shirts, and it'll just make it look quite cool and a bit punk as well, so that's a nice little extra that you get in there as well. And then as I showed you before, both the shoes are wrapped up, so I'll just take one of them out. These are the shoes that I ended up with. They're just like a oxblood kind of patent leather. The toe of them is oxblood, and then the rest of them goes a little bit darker, so that it ends up being a bit brown, and then they've got green laces on them as well. But the most exciting part is actually on the outside, where the embossing of the Clash is on the side of it, so that's what makes them really different, and I think that that's so special because it's a collaboration but it's quite subtle as well, and it's almost like those who know. So yeah, that is the shoe. I got a size 5. All my Dr Martens are in a size 5, so hopefully these will fit, but I can try them on for you. We get the extra pair of black laces in there as well if you don't fancy the green, but obviously I really love green, so I'm going to keep the green ones, and then I'll just check the other one as well to make sure it's okay. But these are brand new, so I'm sure they are. Yeah, everything looks perfect with these. I'm not sure if this is a slightly chunkier sole than the regular Dr Martens shoes. I'm not sure. They feel quite weighty, which is obviously good. And it seems like they've got a little bit of a bouncy sole, so I'm hoping that they'll be comfortable as well. They've got the little tag on as well that says the Clash on that one, so it's really exciting. I'm going to try them on and then I'll be able to show you what they look like when they're on. First impressions of trying them on, they fit perfectly and they feel really comfortable, so I don't know whether this is a bad idea, but I'm going to wear them for work, and I'll leave a pinned comment in the comments section about how I got on with them, if I got any blisters or any rubbing. But I'm used to wearing Dr Martens, and just from the feel of these initially, I think that they're going to be really comfortable, and I think they're so special. I love the green laces as well. I think they're just perfect, so I'll keep you updated in the comments section, but I really love them. Great, so those were the Dr Martens and the Clash shoes for you. Let me know what you think of them. I can leave them linked down in the description box, or I'll just link the whole collection of them down there, because I think there's, well, my boyfriend definitely got a different pair to me, but I think there's a couple more pairs as well if they're not already sold out, because I know they were selling quite fast. So I'll leave them linked down below if you want to check them out, or if you're interested in them yourself, and I'll see you again for my next video. Bye.